dash. No, 2901-9549. 4 hour free dash 9236. 494-9327. IBM. Kitty, I think. Yeah, Kitty Smoke. I think this is an Edwards Firebell. 404-9176. Nighthawk carbon dioxide alarm. Simplex T-bar pole station. There's a key right here. See, I got more too, actually. You have to find them. That's it for now.